Today's lesson is on expanded form. Expanded form is a way to write a number that shows the value of each digit in the number. Let's look at the number 278. We know that each digit in this number has a value. The 2 is in the hundreds place, the 7 is in the tens place, and the 8 is in the ones place. When we write this out in expanded form, we look at each digit and figure out what its value is. We said the 2 was in the hundreds place, so that means that represents 200. Now we're going to add to the tens place. There's a 7 in the tens place, that makes that 70, plus our 8 left over in the ones place. So 278 written in expanded form would be 200 plus 70 plus 8. Let's look at another number and write it out in expanded form. This number says 638. First we look in the hundreds place, and we see a 6. So that would be 600. Then we look in the tens place and we see a 3. That would be 30. Last, we look in the ones place and we see the digit 8, or 8 ones. So 638 written in expanded form would be 600 plus 30 plus 8. Let's look at the number 429. We see a 4 in the hundreds place, a 2 in the tens place, and a 9 in the ones place. Let's write it in expanded form. That would be 400 plus 20 plus 9. 400 plus 20 plus 9 is 429. Let's look at the number 710. We have a 7 in the hundreds place, a 1 in the tens place, and a 0 in the ones place. That would be 700 plus 10. Since there's a 0 in the ones place, we don't have any ones, so we don't need to add anything else. Let's look at the number 807. We have an 8 in the hundreds place, a 0 in the tens place, and a 7 in the ones place. Written in expanded form, that would be 800 plus 7. We had no tens, so we didn't need to write anything in the tens place. Now let's look at numbers written in expanded form and make them into their regular form. This number is 900 plus 60 plus 5. Written as a number, that would be 965. Let's look at another one. 700 plus 1 would be 701. Let's look at 500 plus 20 plus 6. That would be 526. What about 400 plus 30 plus 9? That would be 439. That concludes our lesson today on expanded form.